Hello, today we will guide you through how to delete a user in WordPress. If you need to remove someone's access from your WordPress site, this process is simple and only takes a moment once you know where to look. In this walkthrough, we'll move from the WordPress dashboard to the user management area, open the user you want to remove, and then complete the removal. Begin at your WordPress dashboard. This is the main admin area where you manage your site's content, settings, and users. If you are not already there, sign into your WordPress admin account and make sure the dashboard is fully loaded before continuing. Starting from the dashboard helps ensure you are in the right place to access the site's user controls. Next, look to the left-hand navigation menu and click Users. This section contains a list of people who currently have access to the site, depending on their roles and permissions. Opening Users will take you to the area where you can review accounts and select the one you want to manage. If your site has several users, take an extra moment to confirm you are choosing the correct account before making any changes. Once you are in the Users section, click on the user you want to remove. This opens that user's profile or management page where you can review their account details. It's always a good idea to double check that you have selected the correct user, especially if there are similarly named accounts. Removing the wrong user can interrupt someone's access unexpectedly, so a quick confirmation here is helpful. After opening the selected user, click Remove. This is the action that takes away that user's access from the site. Depending on your WordPress setup, you may be asked to confirm the action, so read any on-screen prompts carefully before proceeding. Once confirmed, the user will no longer be able to access the site with that account. That's all it takes to delete or remove a user in WordPress. As a helpful tip, before removing a user, make sure you no longer need their access and that any important responsibilities tied to that account have been handled. This is especially useful if the user created content or helped manage parts of the site. You've now learned how to remove a user from WordPress quickly and safely.